Hi guys, it's Bella and welcome to Beauty on a Budget and my Saturday extra. And as you can see, if you saw my thumbnail, it's just a great big thank you really today. I've reached 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. You can see, look, I've been I had to do my makeup again because I was crying. I'm such a sap. I never thought I would get to 1,000 subscribers. The numbers have never mattered to me. It's always been to my message really, to know that you can do it, that we can have beauty on a budget. And to think that 1,000 people have responded to that is unbelievable. I just cannot believe that. I'm so grateful. I can't even put into words how grateful I am. I'm not a very confident person. You know that. You know we've talked enough over the last year or so that I'm not a very confident person. And you have helped me so much with my confidence. I can't believe, I never thought, I didn't think anyone would even watch me. I thought, it took me ages to pluck up to actually do the channel, because I thought, you know, I can't afford high-end stuff, and you know, it is all budget beauty. But as I said, the thought was always, there's got to be others like me that, you know, can't afford it but still want to look their best. And I just wanted to sort of reach out to those women really. And you know, I can't believe so many watch me. And the thing that astounds me the most is people watch me that can afford high-end makeup. I don't know why, but people watch me that can, and their channels have really high-end, you know, all high-end, and yet they still subscribe to me and support me, and I'm so grateful. I never thought in a million years that would happen. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, for everything you've done for me, for the love and support you've shown me. And thank you to my lovely friends and fellow content creators who've supported me and backed me up. As I said before, I've mentioned Susan Little Poet. She gave me my first shout out when I had half a dozen or so subscribers. She was about the same time, I can't remember who was first, but my friend Kaz, Jockey Kaz, she gave me a shout out when I had a couple of dozen subscribers, and others have since. I'm so grateful. Glitzy Fritzy, Mary has, bless her heart, and Mary Ellen, and Marlene, Glad and Fab, and so many have given me a shout out that I can't believe it sometimes, you know. I think I have to pinch myself. But I am so grateful. I absolutely love doing what I'm doing. It's taken a huge and filled a huge void in my life, because you know that I'm indoors an awful lot. I sort of housebound a lot of the time, but I don't feel sorry for myself, so we won't even go down that road. But you've just filled a real huge void. And I love it. I love every minute of it. I love the thought that I could even reach one person, you know, and make them feel better about themselves. And when I get the comments that, you know, I bought that, Bella, it worked, and I've ordered that, what you said, and it's lovely, and you know, I just think I've helped someone, and that's just it for me. That's what it was about from the beginning. That's what my dream was to do that. I love it. 1,000 subscribers is great, and I'm so grateful. But those comments that because that was my goal, I didn't even really think about subscribers or how many when I started, and I still don't know half about YouTube now, all this time later. I don't know about the monetizing thing that's going on because I don't monetize. So I don't know if I'd have lost it, I'd have lost it because I didn't have it in the first place. I'm useless. But yeah, it's I've done what I wanted to do. And yes, of course, my desire is to grow. Of course it is. But my desire is to grow so that I can reach more women, that I can say that, you know, I'm 63 this year. You know, I'm not hanging my boots up yet. I haven't got a sell-by date, and neither have you. And that's such a passion of mine, and that drives me to every video I make, really. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I've made such lovely friends, such lovely friends. My subscribers are just the best. I know everyone says that, but they're mistaken, because mine are. You are all just the best, and I'm just so very grateful. You know, you come back and back and back again, and I just love it. I love you all, and there's so many that I can't mention even the names that come to my head, because you're all important. And you know that I don't want to name individual subscribers, because I'd leave something off or I'd forget. You know, I'm a klutz. And I don't want to do that, because I wouldn't want to hurt anybody, you know, because I just love you all. I really do. You're like, it is become like a family to me. It's like an extended family, and I'm just so happy that I found you all. I really am, and I'm so grateful. So I have got a little giveaway now. It is a little giveaway. I just wanted a little something to say thank you for the 1,000. I don't do giveaways all the time, I know, but I just wanted to do, it's a very small one, but I just wanted to say thank you, you know, for everything that you do, really. So, my little giveaway. Now, you know I'm all about the eyes, guys. So it's a palette, and it's a palette that I've had before and I like very much. It's the NYX palette. That's what I've got on today. And not this one, of course. This one still isn't broken. It's the Wicked Dreams palette by NYX, and that's that one. And it's a sealed, so I don't want to break the seal. But they are the colours. Have I got it the right way up? Yeah. They are the colours. So you can see there's some lovely colours in there. Very up to today. Very today's colours. And it's a lovely palette. I wouldn't have bought one that you know, I'd been tested and know that I like myself. And I do like this palette very much. As I said, I've got it myself. But I'm not going to open this one because, you know, it's sealed. So that, because I am all about the eyes. And to go with that, is my other thing that I couldn't leave the house without. And it's the Lash Paradise Mascara. It's, no, I'll do it that way around. L'Oreal's Lash Paradise. You see that, guys? And it is. I mean, so many of us talking about it on here. But it is a really lovely mascara. I've got that one today as well. It is a really beautiful mascara. So, an eye look for you. You can do a few eye looks with that, can't you? So that's just my little giveaway. Just my way of saying thank you. So, our giveaways have to have rules, do they? I don't know. Anyway, if I'm going to make any rules at all, you have to be subscribed to my channel before this video. So if you just subscribe from this video onwards, then you won't be qualified to enter this. I just want people that and subscribers and that have been with me before this video. It doesn't matter how long before, but it must be before this video. I won't answer any comments, you know, because of the random selector, how it works. So I won't answer any comments on this video. But if you want to speak to me or you want to ask me anything, you need my reply, leave it on the last video that I made or the last video that I uploaded, and I will go into that and just, you know, put the fact that it's this video, and I will answer. Or you've got my email address, I put it comes up on every video, so you know, you can email me, any of you, anytime, or private message me. You know, I'd be happy to hear from any of you at any time, you know that. So that's it really. No, shall I say what shall I say you want to know? Tell me, if you could buy one high-end thing, one thing, and have it for the rest of your life, what would it be? Just one product, high-end. Couldn't have a whole selection. One product for the rest of your life, always have a supply of it, of a high-end thing. What would it be? And I'll tell you what mine is when I do the announce the winner. So yeah, that's all I asked for, and it's only a small giveaway, but you know, I hope you like it, whoever wins it, and it's just a little way of saying thank you. But as I said, I was crying this morning. I was just so chuffed to see that. I never expected it, and I was just so chuffed. Thank you so much. I hope I can continue pleasing you. I hope I can continue, you know, doing the sort of things you want me to do. Always, you know, I request, always put anything in that you want me to do. Ask me to do anything if you want to talk about any subject. My next topical subject will be coming up within the next couple of weeks, and I just want to talk about kindness, and you know, the how it makes you feel better about yourself to be a kind person, and go into some situations about that. So that's the sort of subject I'd like to talk about in the next couple of weeks, because it's, in this world today, it can be pretty difficult to be kind sometimes. So yeah, there's lots of different things that I want to bring up, new ideas that I've got for my channel that I'll, you know, do from time to time, and I'm really enjoying it. I'm enjoying planning it, and I just love it. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Please enter if you want to win that, and I'll do it next Saturday. So that's no, next Saturday. What's next Saturday's date? My goodness, I'll put it on the video. I'll put it along here. I don't know what next. So I will do it next Saturday, and thank you again, and thanks for being here with me today. You take care, guys. Take care. Bye now. Bye.